His sacrifice transforms us from darkness to light. We can't live in darkness anymore. Jesus is the Christ. He has destroyed the darkness in me. His sacrifice, His sacrifice, His healing well ups within us. He paid it all. Jesus paid it all. Brokenness may surrounded us, His light shine to us. His righteousness washes over us. Our entire life shifts as a response to us. His profound love and sacrifice is Jesus showed us. His sacrifice, His sacrifice, His healing well ups within us. He paid it all. Jesus paid it all. His sacrifices, the love and healing that He alone can provide. His sacrifice, His sacrifice, His healing well ups within us.